My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya, MD PhD from King George Medical University, Lucknow. Today I will be discussing on an important topic, that is Bainbridge reflex. Now Bainbridge reflex was first described by Mr. Bainbridge, and that's why it is called Bainbridge reflex. And this is an important cardiovascular reflex which plays an important role in regulation of blood pressure as well as heart rate. Now what is happening in this Bainbridge reflex is that when rapid infusion of blood or normosaline is injected in anesthetized dogs, there is a rise of heart rate, provided the heart rate was not rising beforehand. So it is mainly because of the atrial stress receptors which is present on the junction between the vein and the atrium. Especially right atrium is the area where atrial stress receptors are there. There are two types of atrial stress receptors: atrial stress receptor A and atrial stress receptor B. Now what is atrial stress receptor A? It is a type of stress receptors which is stimulated when there is atrial contraction, and atrial stress receptor B is stimulated when there is atrial distension. Now when there is rapid infusion of normal saline or blood, these will increase the blood volume and increase the blood pressure and causes stretching on the atrial stress receptors. And once these stress receptors is stimulated, this stimulus is transferred by parasympathetic nerve to the higher centers. From there, via the efferent nerve fibers, via sympathetic and parasympathetic, it is carried and supplied the heart, and that is responsible for change in heart rate. So when there is a rapid infusion of normal saline, there is a rapid stretch on the atrial stress receptors. It will take the stimulus to the higher center. From there, by a efferent pathway, it will stimulate the heart, and ultimately there will be increase in heart rate. So main motto of this reflex is to decrease the atrial distension and so as to minimize the hypervolemia that is caused because of rapid infusion of normal saline or blood, and that is possible via excretion of water through kidneys. So when there is increase in heart rate, it will increase the blood pressure, and blood flow to the kidneys also increased, and there will be rapid vasodilation also in the renal blood flow, and because of that there is increased renal blood flow, and blood flow, because of increased renal blood flow in the kidney, there will be more urinary excretion, and there will be loss of water through urine. Again, this reflex will lead to the suppression of LDH secretion from the posterior pituitary, and because of that more amount of water will be excreted to the kidney, and ultimately blood volume will decrease and the decrease in the atrial distension. Also, this reflex is responsible for secretion of ANP, because atrial stage is sensitive to a hormone known as ANP, atrial natriuretic peptide, which is released from the atrium in response to the stretch, and because of increased release of atrial natriuretic peptide, it will ultimately cause natriuresis and excretion of sodium and water through kidneys. So out of these three important mechanisms, Bainbridge reflex leads to increase in heart rate, which ultimately causes the excretion of water, and ultimately blood volume will come to the normal. So in this way, directly or indirectly, this Bainbridge reflex is responsible for maintenance of blood pressure by rising the heart rate, and that is one of the important cardiovascular reflex. Thank you very much.